Hello everyone. In this session we will be talking about absolute and relative references in its various forms. More than the technical jargon, let me show you what I mean and where the application lies. Normally when we have certain set of numbers and we want to refer that with the help of certain formulas, we generally write an equal to and refer to the cell which contains the number. Now what I see is equal to A4, which is referring to cell A4 denoted by column A, row 4. Let me push an enter key. Now generally if we use the fill handle and drag this formula down, enabling it to copy and paste, I also notice that the numbers are changing, each one referring to the cell beneath it. Instead, let's say after choosing the number, I had pushed an F4 function key which has put dollars before column and row. Now what is the difference between the earlier exercise and this current one given in column E? Let me show you. Let me press an enter. Let me use the fill handle, drag it down. What I notice, all the numbers are the same. Why? Because they are all pointing to the same cell A4. This dollar indicates the column reference before which I have put a dollar, means the column will never change irrespective of where I copy and paste this formula. The dollar before row reference, that is 4, indicates 4 will never move down to 5, 6 or 7. Taking another example, let's say if I choose another cell A5, and in this case after pressing F4 twice, I arrive at a conclusion that A is not fixed and 5th row is fixed. That means A has the ability to jump to B. Let me show you how. If I press an enter and if I drag this formula right, you will notice A has changed to B, but the moment I drag this formula down, 5 remains constant all throughout. Similarly, if I had used F4 once more in the cell reference, I would have received $A4 indicating column A will never change irrespective of wherever I copy paste this formula. To show you the difference, let me press an enter. Let me now drag it down and write. What I see is A5 changes to A6, A7, A8 and A9, but it never changes the column reference. In all these cases it remains to be column A. This was the basic brush up on the absolute and relative references using dollars and the function key F4. We will see more application in the upcoming examples.